The Smart Woodshop plans are done. I've made the PDF. Chris has uploaded them to the store. You can go there right now, purchase them, and within minutes you will get an email. Not if you use PayPal, not your PayPal one, you'll get that. But the one from our store, it will be sent out within minutes. And on the bottom of that email, you can click on the link and download them. 27 pages. This has taken forever. Now, I was going to do this video in the Smart Woodshop, but I am heading out on a week-long trip, photo expedition, and I used that as motivation to get this done. So I finished these up yesterday. I'm glad these are done. This has been a long haul. I haven't even made a video, even a simple video, in over a week. I have just chained myself to this desk. And I haven't even gone to the Smart Woodshop and done anything. I've got a ton of stuff to do. But hundreds and hundreds of hours wrapped up in these 27 pages. 25, 26, and 27 are these jigs. And I gave you lots of detail and explanations on how to put them together. And these are jigs that you can use in the future. This cubby jig, there's so many things even in a fixed base shop that these things are so handy. So building yourself, taking the time building this jig, and then you can repeatably make all different sizes of cubbies. Okay, so I got to finish packing, heading out. I got to get up at 3 in the morning, got to catch a plane, and looking forward to being gone, but I wanted to get this video out there. Hey, if you like these videos and you want to support this channel, besides purchasing the plans, which is the #1 supporter of this channel, are my plans and plan sales, but you can also like the channel, subscribe, ring the bell so you know when I put up a new video, and also share it with others. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.